If you're an adventure seeker, Santa Pola is the place for water activities. Whether it's a thrilling scuba diving experience or a relaxing boat tour, Santa Pola offers the best options for a fun-filled time on the water. From Santa Pola, snorkel trip in Tabarca Island. Embark on an unforgettable adventure by discovering marine life on the seabed during a snorkeling expedition aboard Tabarca Island. This serene experience invites families, friends, and partners to explore the vibrant underwater world together. As you navigate through the crystal-clear waters, observe diverse fish species and other captivating marine creatures that populate the surrounding areas. Depart from Santa Pola, where a professional vessel awaits your arrival at Tabarca Island. Upon reaching the destination, our experienced monitor will lead you to the ideal submarine spots, showcasing the picturesque coves, pristine beaches, and bustling port sail. Before diving into the water, receive comprehensive guidance on your snorkeling equipment, ensuring a safe and enjoyable exploration. Prepare yourself for an enriching encounter with nature's beauty under the waves. Santa Pola, 3-hour scuba diving near Tabarca. Dive enthusiasts can now embark on an unforgettable 3-hour experience, ideal for beginners, at the picturesque island of Tabarca. This introductory dive course offers comprehensive safety training tailored specifically for those with little or no previous diving knowledge. Participants will venture out from a nearby boat, immersing themselves in the captivating beauty of the warm Mediterranean waters along the stunning coast of Santa Pola. During this engaging adventure, guests will have the opportunity to fully immerse themselves in the underwater world, exploring diverse marine ecosystems and marveling at the incredible variety of aquatic creatures they encounter. With the use of modern scuba gear and expert guidance, participants will feel confident and comfortable navigating these enchanting depths. To enhance their enjoyment and create lasting memories, each participant will receive a complimentary rental of essential equipment, ensuring they stay safe while maximizing their exploration opportunities. Post-dive, savor a refreshing beverage to celebrate their successful aquatic journey. Experience firsthand the thrill of discovery, where every moment spent beneath the surface promises breathtaking moments of wonder and relaxation. Dive into the exciting world of scuba diving today. Santa Pola, return taxi boat ticket to Tabarca Island. Embark on an exhilarating return taxi boat trip from Santa Pola to explore the captivating island of Tabarca. This tour offers both short and extended stays, making your visit flexible and enjoyable. Upon arrival, immerse yourself in the pristine waters surrounding the island, where the turquoise waves gently caress the sandy shores of the beaches and coves. Marvel at the picturesque marina and savor the delectable cuisine offered by a selection of outstanding local eateries renowned for their traditional Tabarca caldero dishes. Additional highlights include a leisurely walk through the charming town and a visit to the Tabarca Museum, offering insights into the rich history and culture of the region.